Push up, perfect. If you're a gymnastics skill seeker who wants to build strength for movements like dips, muscle ups, planche, and handstand push-ups, you're going to need to start with the perfect push-up. The push-up requires upper body strength and core strength. Start by placing the hands on the floor 1 cubit distance apart. A cubit is the individual length of your forearm, from the tip of your middle finger to the tip of your elbow. There are many different push-up variations, but in the perfect push-up, we use this cubit distance. Lock the elbows by externally rotating the shoulders. This can be achieved by twisting the hands into the floor towards the pinky fingers. At the top of each push-up, the aim is to rotate the shoulders externally and have the elbow pits facing forward. This helps to create more force in the push-up movement. The hips must be set with a tight posterior pelvic tilt, PPT. Focus on tucking your tailbone between your legs and contracting your glutes. This helps to activate your abdominals and tighten the midline. Notice the hollow body shape. At the top of the push-up, the shoulders are protracted. Slightly round the upper back as you spread your shoulder blades across your back. When performing perfect push-ups, the legs must be straight, the knees are locked, and the heels of the feet are pushed together. This helps to create lower body tension and increases the strength of the posterior pelvic tilt. From the top position, initiate the movement by taking the shoulders forward and down and keeping the elbows close to the torso. Do not allow the elbows to flare out to the sides. Notice that the forearms stay perpendicular to the floor, with the elbows vertically stacked over the wrists. This is the perfect push-up form. Lower all the way down until the chest touches the floor. Think about pinching the shoulder blades together behind your back. Partial range of motion push-ups do not count. We must learn to perform a full range of motion push-up if we want to progress to more advanced gymnastics movements. Once the chest touches the floor, contract the chest and triceps to return to the topmost position with the shoulders protracted and externally rotated. At the top of the push-up, the shoulders must remain forward of the hands and never pass back behind the hands during the set. At no point should the hollow body position be lost. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.